What's up fellow builders, Builders Joe here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching my girlfriend how to build a PC with my guidance. So sit back and relax, and enjoy the video. First off, we'll be using B360 Aorus Gaming 3 from Gigabyte as our motherboard. Second, we'll be using GTX 1660 Ti from Zotac as our graphics card. Thirdly, we'll be using Intel Core i5-8600K as our CPU. Next up, we'll be using WD Green M.2 240GB as our SSD. After that, we'll be using 2 sticks of 16GB RAM each from Clef. Also, we'll be using a power supply from EVGA running at 850 watts. Lastly, the case we are using will be from Techware Nova M2.
So now you got the CPU out already. So okay, 你先不要开这个先，你先那个 level you see this one, yeah, just press it down, press it down. No, just press it down, press it down. Okay, then like 好像拉它出来 ，hold the board, yeah, two hands. Yes, there we go. Lift it up. There we go. Okay, so your CPU need to go inside there. Okay, how to know 放在哪一个 angle 哦 ？You see like there's a small triangle at the Intel. Yeah, so your this one should be right here. Okay, basically the words must be reading it to you lah, without saying. Okay, then 不要动到它下面啊。Hold it with the side, 这样呢。Yes. Okay, 放上去。Yes, okay. Okay, so just give it a little wiggle, make sure 它在那个 spot， 它不会乱动。Okay. Just make sure， 这样的话就可以了，敢处理不用紧。Okay， 然后 close the thing， 用这个这样 close 先。Okay， so make sure 这个东西是 under 那个 screw，so if cannot lift it up again。Okay， then try to slot it in。Yes， okay。Okay， now you see the level， you're gonna press it down， hold， okay， press all the way。Okay， so that's gonna，yeah， there we go。So this thing will pop out. Okay, see your CPU is right inside there. Always to keep note 你的那个 CPU 不要被那个 level 压倒，要不然它一 bend 的话直接不可以用了。Okay, so this one is good. Okay, good enough. For the next one 就是你的 RAM. So 你看到这些好像一个 slot 的东西吗 ？That's where you slot your RAM inside there. So normally from what I know 啦，你这样是 dual channel。因为一个 channel 是像一个 pair so you got dual channel, so you'll be placing at the second and the fourth one. Reason being 就是他们的 priority 那个 RAM slot 啦，它哪一个会跑比较快，所以 you just have to open this thing. Okay, open the last one also. One more. Yes, okay. So 你开那个东西先我帮你开一次。SSD out. Okay, you see this part. That's where you put your. I'm gonna show you one time. Okay, how to put it? Is just 你的那个好像 fixing a puzzle 这样 OK, 45 degrees in, press it in. Okay, then you lay it down. Okay, but problem is you see your screw right here. Yeah, it's right there. So you have to take out the screw first, then you can screw it in. In some other motherboard cases 它的那个 so called stand off 它会放比较远一点。Then you just have to take out the screw, then adjust it right at the place Okay, so you just have to roughly see lah. So once 我们 unbox 完了 ，OK，so 这个是 OK，just a brief explanation 啊，这个是那个 fan，OK，how to know 那个 fan direction 是走哪里哦？这边是那个 wind 在 suck in，OK，主看那个风是 like which side of the fan 会 blow，normally 它的上面它的这边旁边它会写 like air flow 去哪里啊，把有些 fan 没有写啦，说 actually 你看它的 fan 的后面哦，有这些那样来。那个 crossing 来，那个黑色的 crossing， you see， 来的黑色一个 X 在后面。Yeah, that one is to show that 那个 fan 在 blow 那边，跟你说有那个东西。OK，let's get out of the way。OK，then 我说这个是那个 thermal base， 在一个 packet 里面的。OK，then 这个是你的那个bracket， 就是放在那个 motherboard 的那个后面的。and 这个两个 strip 是 just 好像 double sided tape 啦 ，just 粘在后面的。OK，first of all 就是你拿这个哦。Okay, you turn your motherboard around first. Turn it around. 这样子。那 motherboard 没有这样 fragile 的。Okay, so you see your bracket here. Okay, you just have to fit it in just nicely in there. No, the T must be turn the other way. Turn the other way. 转啊。No, one more. Okay, yeah, just like that. So you have to put in like that. Okay, so you know the shape, you just take out the 这个两个 these two strips, you take it out. That's your like a double sided thing. Then you throw it, toss it in the bin. Oops. 你看啊，你现在这个放好了，所以 it won't like drop off. Oops. Okay, 这样子 just mainly 就是 secure 在那边啦。We will edit that one out. So now we just turn this around. So this one I help you do lah. Okay. So you see your thermal base, just maybe 顺它一下，然后 like you know those doctor. Okay. Put it down. 这个 okay.
Cause I don't like y'all anyway. And I don't like y'all anyway. Fuck all y'all.
Okay, so is okay, your case right here. Okay, so opening up your case. Firstly, 对啦 ，boss， 拿那个落起来，把两个锁，等一下那个玻璃掉起来，锁就像做包一样，玻璃再讲，有的，转，这里个位置拿，还有，拿六，那个 OK， so careful guys. So basically 哦，这些都是你的 fan screws。Know how to differentiate them 啊？这些都是 fan screws 来的。Okay, so basically your fan 我刚拆下来 ，OK， 那我还有绑住 ，so untie that one first。Okay, so your fan 这边the X part, this one is where the wind comes towards me. Then 这边是 where the wind suck in. Okay, so adjust your fan first. Then place it accordingly 啦，就是跟着那个洞 screw it in. You see all these holes？ 这个有1个、2个、3个、4、5、6，还有多一个在上面，7 ，OK， 有7粒在这边。说、what you need 在这边哦，就是你的the stand off。What's a stand off？ 就是 again 就是这些 ，OK， 有 over here you got 1、2、3、4、5、6，OK， you need a 7th one。So the 7th one, according to the motherboard, is right here to the side here. Okay, so you need to take a stand off from the screws, which is 找一下那个 stand off 在哪里啊？OK， 那个 but some case they never give the stand off screw. So what's a stand off screw? 是这个 stand off screw. Okay, hold on. My box have. Last time I intern, lucky I take some from them. Okay, so this is a stand off screw. Okay. 小小个的 turn it around. You slot the top in. Okay. So what you need to do? Yeah, you can use your thumb to screw it in, but normally just use this one. You use 2 hands. This one you need to use 2 hands. There's one screw. Must use this kind. This one, we call it the mushroom screw. The mushroom screw, we just screw the motherboard in. Okay? So you put your motherboard first. So yeah, just okay, I'm gonna take a chair. Okay, so just toss it all over to the top. Show me. Okay, so the next part 就是开那个 power supply。 Hexagon screw。有些 PC chassis 他们已经给你了，来，他们这边有给你黑色的 ，OK， some power supply 的那个 box 里面有 consist， 所以 these are Hexagon screw， 所以要自己看啊，这些都是 Hexagon 的，不要拿别的 screw 来弄。So we just slot it in, when we slot it in already, then we come back to the video. Okay, so right now 我们 wire 已经都接好了 ，CPU cable 24 pin， OK， 放在哪里？就是 just 24 pin 是这个 ，then CPU pin 是 right on top there，OK。So the next one for the remaining 这个 the Molex cable and the GPU cable that one at the end 我们才放进去 ，OK。所以 for now 是 just cable tie，so another time lapse。哦，对不对？对不对？对不对？哦 ，cut away point。所以现在那个 cable tie 已经好了，所以 just your Molex fan cable 1 2 and one more 3 on top， OK。then 你这边前面的这个也是 ，so what you need to do 是 just 用你的这个 connect all 4 of them stack together，OK。so you stack them together first，OK。according 啦，好像 just shape to shape 而已。that's one。关，you're not wrong。 So now we got our GPU cable in, zip tie, all sui. Okay, power on, cable on. Okay, so just have to press 一次。So all is running。哦，这个没有灯的。Okay, the tag where the 蓝色灯。Okay, okay, you might shut down for a while. You will shut down. Hold on, will shut down. Sometimes will, sometimes won't. On. And okay, so far so good. Okay, all good, all good. Shouldn't be a problem. You try off. If you can off, then off already. Wait, on again? No, wait. On. To check, you're still on. Okay. Okay. Wait, on. Try on. All good.
Thank you guys for watching today's video, and do hit the like button and also subscribe. See you builders next time. Builder Joe signing off.